How to download Software Surfer on iPhone. In this quick video, I will show you how to download Software Surfer on your phone in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. You have to open the App Store, which is blue icon with the BA on it. Now tap on the search button at the bottom right corner. In the search bar at the top, type Software Surfer and select the first result. You will see the game right at the top. Tap the download button or gate icon next to it. You have to access your Touch ID or Face ID. Wait a few seconds while the game downloads and installs. It's pretty quick depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, tap the app to open it and you are ready to play.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.